Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Villa, and today I'll be talking about how you can be able to download PNG files, backgroundless file, without even you going to free pics, uh, PNG files, and all those sites that they always give. So this is one way to do it. So what you have to do is to go to your Safari browser or your browser. Go to your browser engine, your search engine. But first, before I do that, let me go to my settings, and especially for those using iPhone, I'll come to my browser, my Safari, and I'll change my search engine to Bing. Remove it from Google, take it to Bing. Then when I'm done, I'll have to come to here. Whatever I search, I just search for like shoe PNG, and so I'll have all various type of shoes. So when I click on any shoe, for example, I click on this shoe, you find that the background will leave with just a time. Okay, waiting for it. Now that is backgroundless, so the background is already out. So all I have to do is just to hold it and add to photos. If I go check my photo, I will see it there. So I will see it there. Here you are. That's it. So it's always one way to do it. You don't have to start going to all those PNGs sites and start already name. No, because with this particular one, you can be able to see various type of shoes from different websites. We have free PNG image, you have png.all.com, we have pngpics.com. So you can have variety of choice to pick from than just only going one particular site and then being confined to that particular site images. So thank you very much. Please subscribe for more, and please drop a comment. I appreciate. Share. Thanks a lot.